Hi, this is Kathy at the library, and I wanted to tell you about our seed catalog that you might want to make use of. We can still get in a second planting before the winter comes in, especially of the green and leafy things, so I wanted to show you how this works. We have this old card catalog here, and we have packaged up some seeds, a few in each pack. You are allowed to take one of each kind that you want, and we need to have your name and what kind of seeds you took. The rest is up to you. You don't even have to be from Jackson County. Let me show you what it looks like inside the drawers. It's just this one lower row, and we have it set up in such a way so that you can just pick out a packet of seeds, and we have all of them labeled as to what they are, so you won't lose track of what you have in your hand. Lots of good things in here. We tried to find all of the things that a lot of people would like to have for their gardens. This will be ongoing, so if you don't do it this year, you might want to remember it for next year. I'll just show you one more drawer here. A lot of tomatoes, all kinds of tomatoes and squashes. So please come on in, let us know what you want, and we will mark it down and send you on your way to do your planting. Please stay safe and stay well.